Now, finally, lawyers for Prince Andrew are attempting to persuade a judge in America today to dismiss the civil case made against Virginia Giuffre, who claims that she was trafficked by the deceased sex offender Jeffrey Epstein when she was 17 and named the prince as one of her alleged offenders. Well, join me now to update us on the latest as those court developments take place in the United States is our reporter, Ellie Costello. Ellie, just bring us up to date with what you've been hearing from that courtroom today.
Hi, Darren. Yes, this hearing is taking place in New York right now. It is a virtual hearing. Prince Andrew and his legal team are in the same room virtually with Virginia Giuffre's legal team. And they are in front of a judge where Prince Andrew's legal team are going to ask for this civil case to be dismissed. And Virginia Giuffre is seeking damages for alleged sexual assault by Prince Andrew on 3 occasions when she was a teenager. Obviously, all of those claims strongly denied by Prince Andrew. He has consistently denied any wrongdoing. But Prince Andrew's lawyers will be relying heavily on that settlement which was released last night between Jeffrey Epstein and Virginia Giuffre, which was made between them in 2009. And that was made public last night for the first time, and it revealed that Miss Giuffre was paid $500,000 by Jeffrey Epstein to end her claim that she was a victim of sex trafficking and abuse by Epstein from the age of 16. Now, Prince Andrew's lawyers are expected to say in court today that this 2009 deal means that she cannot sue Prince Andrew because she agreed to end all legal action on Jeffrey Epstein and anyone connected to the offender. They will be, it's just one clause that they are focusing on. That is the wording which says potential defendants could be released from any US legal action, including damages claims from the beginning of the world. And just before I came on air to you there, Darren, I did hear Prince Andrew's lawyers going on the word of potential. They want him to be in those releasees that are then protected under this settlement, just like Jeffrey Epstein was back in 2009.
And just explain what happens if this does go to trial, Ellie.
Well, Judge Kaplan should make an immediate judgment this afternoon, or he can decide to reserve judgment, which is probably more likely, and that could take days or weeks. And if the case is not thrown out, then we move into the next stage of a civil trial, which is called discovery. And that's when each side takes the time to build up their cases by gathering information from the other side. And that would probably mean, in Prince Andrew's case, that he would be interviewed by Virginia Giuffre's lawyers as part of a deposition. That would then be read out in a full civil trial. Remember, this isn't a criminal trial, it's a civil one for damages, and that would be in September to December of next year. That's most likely, but of course that's not something that Prince Andrew or his lawyers want to happen, but they have said that they will work with US authorities in any investigation.
OK, Ellie, thank you very much indeed for that. Ellie Costello, our reporter there, joining us from Windsor Castle.